Our next chapter is human body and organ system. In this chapter we studied about the different organ systems which are present in the human being. We know in our body different organs are present for different specific function. For walking there are legs, for ear inside your body there is a nose, then to view or to see eyes. Means different organs are present in the body for their specific function. Therefore we can define the definition of this organ system. They are the different organs or group of organs working in your body for the specific function. They are known as the organ systems. For example, in your body, respiration system is there, blood circulatory system is there, digestion system is there. So these are the different systems present in your body. Reproductive system, muscular system, skeletal system, excretory system. These are very important organ systems in your body, and these life processes are very important to human being. Then these organ systems are carried out in your body simultaneously, but they require the energy. You know, the energy is required for each and every work in your body. When these different organ systems at a time simultaneously carried out in the human body and they required energy. You know, just you want to walk from one place to another place, there is a requirement of energy. Then you take the meal, at that time you require the energy. But how this energy is obtained from this working of body? This energy is obtained from food. We take the balanced diet for our energy. Means food material is the source of energy. Energy is essential to operate all the life processes in human body. This energy production occurs within the cell. How? And the cell need the supply of soluble nutrients. When you take the food inside the body, digestion of this food is carried out, and from this food energy is obtained in the cell. How this energy is obtained from the cell we see in this chapter in detail. So firstly we studied about the energy production through the respiration process. In general, what is the respiration? Taking the air from outside in your body and given out the carbon dioxide from your body. This is the respiration process, and for this the different organs are present in your body. In the respiratory system, nose, lungs are main organs for your respiration, but we can study in detail of this respiration process. What is the respiration and how this respiration process carried out in various levels or in various steps. So firstly we studied about the respiration. Respiration carried out through the 3 steps. These steps are very important because in this respiratory system they supply the nutrients and also oxygen to your body. You know, for your life oxygen is very important. How this oxygen is obtained in body and how this circulate inside the body to each and every cell. Firstly, what is the respiration? Respiration is following 3 steps. First is external respiration, second is the internal respiration, and third step is a cellular respiration. So first is the external respiration. According to its name, external म्हणजे बाह्य भागातून. So this external respiration means there is the surrounding or in the atmosphere and your body. The respiration or air supply from the external environment to in your body. This is external respiration. In this external respiration again there are 2 types, that is the inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation, in means inside the body, exhalation म्हणजे outside the body. आता सगळ्यात पहिला आपण what is the inhalation, ज्याला मराठीमध्ये तुम्ही श्वास आत घेणे असं म्हणतात. श्वासोच्छवास, उच्छवास म्हणजे एक्सलेशन आणि श्वास आत घेणं म्हणजे इनहेलेशन. In this inhalation, air is taken in through the nose and it's sent towards the lungs. With the help of nose, you take the air from the atmosphere and this air is forward towards the lungs in your body. When you take the air inside means which gases are present in the air? Not only oxygen is present but also there are different types of gases are present in the air. You know definition of air? Air is the mixture of different gases. So when you take the air inside your body, at that time all gases are enter in your body and this air is passing towards the lungs through the trachea. There is a one white pipe. This nose you take the air and here one pipe which is known as trachea. Through this trachea, the air which is inhaled is passing towards this lung. So this is the inhalation. Now we studied about the exhalation. When this air taken inside the body, this air enter in the lungs. At that time, oxygen from the inspired air goes into blood. This oxygen which is present in this air goes into the blood. Here only oxygen is absorbed and same time the carbon dioxide which is collected from the different parts of your body is coming out from this blood in this lung. So this is the exhalation process. When this carbon dioxide from the various part of the body towards the lungs carried out and this air is given out by the exhalation process. Means inhalation process मध्ये काय झालं? The air from the outside environment is enter in your lungs. Here oxygen is absorbed and at the same time carbon dioxide from the various parts of your body is collected through the blood and this carbon dioxide is passing out through your body via exhalation process. So this is the inhalation and exhalation. This inhalation is also known as inspiration or this exhalation is also called as expiration. Inspiration and expiration. In this inhalation, air enter through nose and it forward towards the lung. In exhalation, carbon dioxide from the lungs is thrown out through the or via nose. So this is about the first step of respiration known as external respiration. Now we studied about this internal respiration. In this internal respiration, the exchange of gases between cell and tissue fluid is called as internal respiration. Oxygen moves from the blood to the tissue. When via this external respiration, there is a oxygen is enter in your body. At that time, this oxygen is supplied to each and every cell of the body via blood, and this blood supply oxygen to each and every cell, and then this oxygen is exchanged with every tissue of the body. Means there is exchange of gaseous material between cell and tissue. It is known as internal respiration. So this oxygen moves from blood into tissue and carbon dioxide move from tissue to the tissue fluid into the blood. So this is about the internal respiration. Last is the cellular respiration. According to its name, inside the cell, this oxygen which is obtained from the internal respiration inside the cell, this oxygen is used for the digestion of the food material and there is a release of energy. Therefore, you can define the cellular respiration. There is a assimilation of energy from the food material is known as cellular respiration. You can study this in detail of this cellular respiration. Before that, we studied about the different organs of our respiratory system.